there it is. My grease gun. And it stays clean. I mean, yeah, anybody that knows me knows that I got spot of grease right there. Oh, bad. Anybody that knows me knows that I take really good care of my stuff. For the life of me, I cannot get this high pressure end off this thing. I just can't to change it out. I've stripped it out and everything else. Yeah, gonna have to go get me a replacement hose from Amazon. Yeah, because you can take this apart here as I'm doing. Yes, I've rebuilt it before, but why waste a good grease gun end on a grease gun that you can't get off? I've tried taking it off there at that first thread and then holding it back here with this, and it has rounded this out to where I can't get a bite on it no more. So yeah, any help would be appreciative. I don't know if you can go to Hartville Hardware and get another one of these, or look on Amazon or anything, but yeah, this is just aggravating. It really is. Any help would be appreciative. Take a plunger. No, we still got half thing of grease yet. Now, when all else fails, you break out another one. Alright, so in the last video we fixed rake teeth, we greased them, we washed them. Yeah, I'm going to try and get this end off here like I was saying in the last video, because this is still the original one from the factory and it needs to come off. So let's see if we can get it off, shall we? So I got here some vice grips. I'm going to try and put them on this nut end. Here, take the pipe wrench. Okay. Did it go or did it just strip? Did it go or did it just strip? I hope it didn't strip. Oh, good grief. Holy crap, you guys want to talk about frickin' tight. Wow-wee. I never would have dreamt of having to use a pipe wrench. Never in a million years. Man, daggone. Should only take like a 9/16 wrench or so. That is like a huge weight lifted off my shoulders now, knowing that that I got this taken off. I can't get it off. That is what it is supposed to do. Okay. I gotta get a wrench and finish that, tightening this down. This part up here, you're supposed to let loose a quarter turn, okay? There, quarter turn. There's little jaws in here that open and close. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up. that clamp down on the grease fitting, and that is what enables it to stick on it. And I know exactly who the guy was that recommended it. He goes under the YouTube username of the Public Eye. So if you're watching this, huge thank you to you. Yeah. I'm going to keep this and show Dad and Pete. Yeah, what a freaking nightmare this was. I'm just glad I'm not going to have to go buy a new hose. I'm not going to have to take it to Hartville Contractor Supply and pay $50 an hour. So, oh my goodness. God just took care of that, supernaturally intervened. Yeah, I'm just thankful that that is done and over with. And it's supposed to clamp on like that. And no grease leak. That's what I really like. So, yeah, if you didn't back this off, you would never get that off being brand new. Something about these that, you know, you just got to back them off when they're brand new and then tighten them up as they get more wore out. But praise God I got that fixed. Oh.